Hi everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponer. So today I'm here with an awesome Ibotta haul from the awesome Walmart and the wonderful Kroger, finishing up Ibotta bonuses. The Skinny Nose, which is $10 off to $25. Now keep in mind here that the haul total you're going to hear does include the stuff from the other day. I didn't prorate the bonus, I just added up how much all these things cost and worked that in, because if I would have prorated it, then I don't know, the math kind of all comes out the same, but I just went ahead and didn't prorate it and just added up everything that went into this bonus. So I'm not going to go over the breakdowns for all this stuff again, but keep in mind that since I had the haul the other day, so if you haven't seen that from last week, go watch that. But keep in mind that these things will include, the total will include the cost of these items for my entire bonus. So let's just dive right in with Walmart. The Angel Soft is a great little deal. These are $5.28 for the 6 mega rolls. And I'm loving getting backstocked on the toilet paper. That's not where I want it to be, and I'm using Ibotta to get me where I want to be. That's what I love about Ibotta. You really can get anything you want if you work it in there, and that's what I love about it. I'm able to work tax and all that in. That's why Ibotta is my preferred method of couponing. So anyways, this is $5.28. I had $1 off coupon, so I paid $4.28, and Ibotta had 75 cents back. So not the best deal, but like I said, I was using overage. Game Flings is an awesome deal. These are $3.94. I had a $1 coupon from a couple weeks ago's insert. I had $2 Ibotta, so 94 cents for the gain. Keep in mind, if you haven't already done the Tide, there's a coupon and a $3 Ibotta, so those are 94 cents. But that didn't reset for me. G-Value K-Cup. This is a great deal on the cafe at home. These are $6.28. I had $1 off Peely, so it's $5.28. I'm trying to talk slow. I had so many angry people come at me saying I talk too fast. $6.28 Peely, and keep in mind you can always slow it down, so there's no reason to get hateful at me if I get a little fast. $6.28 Peely, $3.50 back from Fetch Rewards, and $1 back from Ibotta. And then Shopkick has 750 kicks back, which essentially is, let me tell you, times 750 is basically $3. So the K-Cups are a humongo money maker, which I love. The Liquid Plumber, thank you to Marley Coops for this on Instagram, is $3.88. There's a $1 coupon on their site if you sign up for their emails, and it has to be the lemon degreaser. So it makes it $2.88 out of pocket. Ibotta has 75 cents back, and Shopkick, I believe, has $2 back. I know in the end this is 13 cents. So yeah, $2 back. So awesome deal on the Liquid Plumber for 13 cents. Kaboom is a great deal on Shopkick. Thank you to those who did sign up for me under Shopkick. These are $3.48. There is a rebate for 800 swag bucks back when you buy two. So essentially, it's like a $1 moneymaker for the Kaboom. And this, thank you to Danaville for this. These reset every week. So every Sunday it'll reset as long as the promotion's still up on their site. So I love that. Honey Stinger waffles are $1.18 with 50 cents back on Ibotta, so great deal. Okay, and that's it from Walmart. Walmart's kind of slow. I mean, it's not slow, but I only needed to get like 12 more rebates, so I did 7 of them at Walmart. I did 5 over at Kroger. So Kroger's awesome with the Kroger brand hot cocoa. Thank you to Couponing with Michelle. Yeah, she's awesome for sharing this deal. These are $1.25. There's 50 cents back on the Ibotta app and 50 cents back on the Kroger Cash Back app, making these a quarter each. A quarter. So I got all 5 of them because that's a deal you cannot pass up. Scott toilet paper. This is one of my favorites. This is $5.99. We had a $2 digital, making it $3.99. So like I said, I want to get stocked up on toilet paper and use Ibotta over to cover it. I know there are some deals at CVS and all that, but I'm not paying a bunch out of pocket this week because I only have $5 in extra bucks. And so I'd rather do this and use Ibotta overage to cover it. So the Giovanni Zero Sugars, these are $1.25. Had a $1 off 2 coupon from a Kroger booklet that somebody did send me. I believe it was Marvetta. And then I had $1 on 2 from Ibotta. So this is like 50 cents or 2. And the non-dairy Chobani, this is the gift that keeps on giving, is on Woohoo for 99 cents. And I got $1 from Ibotta. So great deal. And those are manager specials. Not everyone's going to get that. Luna bars are $1 each. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making them 50 cents. And the Godiva is $3. We have a $1 Ibotta and a $1 Kroger Cash Back, making these a buck. And then people are getting it free over at Walmart, but my store does not have that. Okay, let me make sure there's nothing here. The front line's a great one to do. For sure, go ahead and hit that up if you haven't already. There's Peely's and Shopkick and Ibotta and all sorts of stuff double dipping. That makes it a great deal. The Javalia can be a much bigger moneymaker if you still have the Shopkick for the coffee. My Shopkick is gone, but if you still have that, you can get a big moneymaker on these. Just go watch the haul from the other day, the Nor and the Bella, all that's in the haul the other day. My rebates just, I had maxed out, so I was not able to hit those up again. So the cost for everything today, and all this stuff from last Friday, or Thursday. All right, so here's the math. All these items added up to a net cost of $11.04 after the rebates. I got back $10 for my shiny nose bonus. I got back $1 for level 3. Level 3 was $2 back on 30. I had done 15 rebates prior to this bonus, so I did 15. I did over 15 to finish level 3. So I just counted that I was getting $1 back in that proportion of level 3. So essentially all these items were legit 4 cents for 3 packs of toilet paper and 5 things of cocoa and Gain and Tide and coffee, and what a haul. I love when the hauls just work out perfectly like this, so I'm really, really happy. So yeah, that's all that I have. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Videos, the only videos that will be going up over the next couple days are Vlogmas. I don't think there will be any deals videos until Thursday. Come back Thursday for the Kroger couponing deals video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.